Hi everyone, here is Martin, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to use the Stadia controller with the PlayStation 2. So what do we need? So first of all we need a PlayStation. Secondly, we of course need a Stadia controller from Google, and as a third must-have uh, appearance is the BlueRetro adapter. So let's have a look on the details of each component. So for the PlayStation, you either need a PlayStation 1 or PlayStation 2 Fat or PlayStation 2 Slim. In our case, it's a PlayStation 2 Fat. uh, for the Stadia controller, if you have the default one, what do you need to do is to upgrade the Stadia controller into the Bluetooth mode. There is a very simple tutorial on Google how to upgrade the Stadia controller. Simply, you just need to connect the Stadia controller with the USB-C into your PC and follow very simple tutorial on internet how to upgrade it. This is the official tutorial from Google and will enable the Stadia controller for the Bluetooth mode. Once you have the Stadia controller enabled for the Bluetooth mode, then you are able to basically connect it to any device which supports Bluetooth. So you can connect it to your computer, you can connect it to the PlayStation or some other devices. So the last important piece is the BlueRetro adapter. This is the adapter which looks like this, and you can very easily order it from AliExpress. What you will get is this package which includes few things. So there is some basic tutorial how to use it, but the main thing is that you will get this BlueRetro adapter with a few buttons and some LED adapters, and you simply plug it into the PlayStation and you can use it. So the important thing is that you first, before using it, you first need to upgrade the firmware on this BlueRetro adapter. The step-by-step is very simple. You simply use the provided cable and you simply plug it into adapter. Then the other side of the cable, you plug it into your PC, and the tutorial is also pretty simple. I will link the important links into the description below the video, and you basically just plug the adapter into your PC. You start one program. You need to download the latest firmware. At the time of this video, the adapter is 1.8.3, and this firmware is pretty important because it includes the latest support for Stadia controller, and it was released at the beginning of this year. And once you upgrade the BlueRetro adapter, you just unplug it and then you can use the adapter for your gaming. So let's have a look how it actually works all together. So the first important thing is that you plug the BlueRetro with the latest firmware into the PlayStation. Once you plug it, it will show the blinking blue light. This basically means that it's searching for the devices, for the controllers. So at this point of time, what do you need to do is to start pairing mode of your Stadia controller. So to start the Stadia controller pairing mode, you simply need to press Stadia button and the Y at the same time for a few seconds. So let's do that. After we uh, mm, start pairing the device, the blue blinking mode should stop, and that's basically it. So let's give it a try. So at this point of time, the it's paired. You see that the light stop blinking. The red light just means that it's on power. There are other two buttons on the sides. One is on the left side is completely reset the adapter, and the right one is just for pairing, like manual pairing. So at this point of time, the Stadia controller should be connected. So as you can see on the TV, we are able to move with the characters and simply choose one. So at this point of time, the controller works. What we can also try is to maybe compare the latency between the original controller and the Stadia controller. So let's give it a try. So I'm going to plug also the original PlayStation 2 controller. So in this case, I'm able to select the character with the second controller, and with the first one, I'm also going to select something. So let's start it. So as you can see, all the buttons works. So what we can compare, so at the same time we can, for example, compare the controller on the left side and the right side. So I'm going to press both at the same time. So as you can see, both are reacting almost the same. Maybe I will go more further. So you can see basically the latency is almost zero. Okay, so that was my comparison. As you can see, the connecting Stadia controller to the PlayStation 2 FAT was very simple. The only thing what you need is to always follow the latest firmware for the controller and for the adapter, and then you are good to go and play with any game you have on your PlayStation 2. That's it. Thank you for watching. And as I said, all the important links I will place in the comment below. Thank you. Bye bye.